Real quick before we start the video, I did fix the wires underneath. That is one wire that's running underneath. That's the power wire, but I did fix it because I noticed in the previous videos it was bothering the crap out of me. Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another video. So actually I had to redo the video because for some reason the audio wasn't working. So don't know why, but whatever. So we're gonna do a review on the HyperX Doubleshot PBT Keycaps. Now these are from HyperX and these are for mechanical keyboards. So yeah. So anyways guys, I just want to do this little short update review on these keycaps and telling you how they hold up and everything. Anyways, you guys can tell it looks pretty good. It looks vibrant. Now I do have it on the max settings for the brightness. I didn't go full keyboard with the key. I didn't go full with the keys. I just went halfway so it's not so bright and bearing in my eyes. So kind of just went that way for now. Maybe change it up a little later. Don't know yet. So if you guys want to check out these keycaps, I'll put down the description below where you guys can check them out. It is for about $17.99 plus tax, so about 19 bucks. So I did get them on Amazon Prime, so I'll put down a link below, and I'll put down the keyboard down below too if you guys want to check that out. So real quick, I did try these keycaps on and I really like them. The only thing I was a little iffy about is some of the keycaps, the letterings are not completely complete. So basically like the O and the A, they're not connected. They still have like a little gap and a little space between them. But other than that, they look great. So they are double shot BBT material and for long lasting durability. So these should be keycaps should be really good and they should actually really hold up, especially when I'm gaming and playing Fortnite. So I haven't seen any like flaking or anything off the letters because I did have a problem with the HyperX in the past. The titaniums and the Corsairs, the lettering start flaking off. Apparently I can't find them right now, so I'll have to find them, maybe do a post on Instagram. But the letterings are completely scratched out after a good 4 months. So far this has only been a week and a half, so I'll maybe do an update review after maybe 4 months and see if they're still holding up. So other than that, they're great. They're not super glossy and everything, so they do have a little bit of grip texture. Now they are a little loud. This keyboard is the green switches, so what is exactly what I did is I put rubber band called O-rings in the keyboard, so basically it makes it more silent but not deadly. So it helps, not 100%, but I will actually do a mic test right now and I'll put the mic right here and you guys can kind of listen. So here it is. So here it is with the actual with the dampen rings. And of course, the 1 and 2s don't have it, so. Anyways, it's really hard to tell like on camera, so you actually have to hear it. But there is a slight damp. It's not gonna make it silent completely, but it does help on the noise level to keep it down a bit. So if you guys want to check out the keyboard and the O-rings and the keycaps, I'll put down the description below where you guys can check these out. So other than that, I think it came out pretty good. I probably won't go full keyboard. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. So it does come with the keycap puller, and it comes with the actual manual to show you where all the keycaps go, just in case if you take everything off, if you guys don't take pictures or anything. So that's the thing. At least it comes with that and it tells you. So a lot of YouTubers actually do videos on these keycaps. I have seen previous videos of YouTubers and stuff do unboxings and stuff. So but that's about it. Just a little short video. And by the way, before I go, there is a 2-year warranty on these keycaps, so that's what it says on the box right here in the back. So if you guys have any problems with the keycaps flaking within 2 years, I guess I could just take them back and get a new one. So alright guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, I'll maybe do an update review in 4 weeks on these custom keycaps. So alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll check you guys later. Alright guys, we're gonna do an actual vlog video because I don't think I ever done a vlog video on the 4K camera. Oh my god, I wasn't even recording. Oh my god. Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech review video on the HyperX Doubleshot PBT Keycaps. Woo, man, did I say that right? PBT Keycap. PBT Keycaps. Hey, my battery's about to freaking die. God damn.